Welcome to Roan Mountain. The only part of Tennessee that actually gets snow. A little bit of snow.
It counts.
Yeah.
There's more snow. There's snow in the woods.
We got rhododendron.
Mm-hmm.
There's a bunch of it.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
It's like jungly.
Yeah. So the clip you just seen was yesterday morning when we got to our campsite at Roan Mountain. And we didn't really do much yesterday. I mainly slept around and we drove around some, but that was about it really. We set up camp and didn't really do much after that. Today is the next day and it's about what, 9 or 10 or so in the morning?
I think it's like almost 11 now.
No.
That's 10:50.
No, 10:50, so 11 o'clock. We're on top of, I guess right down the road is Roan Mountain, and this is the overlook off the road. You can see behind us all the mountains and everything. Today we're going to go to, what was that farmstead place?
Miller's Farmstead.
Miller's Farmstead. We'll probably go to the visitor center if they're open. It is a Sunday, so I don't know if they're open or not. I say they probably are. But
Probably.
it's been a good little trip so far,
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah.
Campground was pretty nice.
It was very nice.
Yeah, we were spot 20 and it was a tent only spot, but it had plenty of room and it was all nice and
It had water.
it had water, no electricity. There's rhododendron everywhere. Our campsite was full of it, and then all along the road here, it's everywhere.
I think that's what this area is known for.
Yeah, it's the world's largest like rhododendron garden or something like that. So it's pretty cool. Never knew that about this area. I've always heard of Roan Mountain, but never been here or never knew what was here or anything. But I think it's been pretty cool so far.
I agree.
Good. Let's see what the farmstead's all about.
It looks like our garden.
Yeah. They know how to grow the weeds like us. It's their hay garden.
Whatever works. It still counts as a green thumb.
Yeah.
He's growing something. Actually, our garden looks pretty good thanks to the chickens.
Yeah, that's true. I still wish we would have.
Covered it up.
Yeah. Winter we've kind of slacked on our garden. Gardens are just hard to stay on top of. I guess if you had all day to work on it all the time, it wouldn't be that bad, but when you only have like 1 or 2 days a week to do stuff, the garden doesn't always take first priority.
And normally after work you have some time, but it gets darker
Right.
earlier, so it's like hard to make time for that.
And also, you may have like an hour or two. By the time you get everything out you need to do, it's done over.
Yeah.
Here's their little garden plot they got going. Which in 1870, I don't know that they had this.
I wonder what they see right here.
I don't know. It's a heck of a hilly garden.
Oh, they are horses.
Oh yeah. They got a big old hay or compost pile or something.
They have chicken.
Really?
I wonder if someone still lives here.
I wouldn't think so.
Yeah, I wouldn't think so either.
Maybe they just
Take care of
take
them.
care of it and show what the farmstead's like. The chickens are all in the woods scratching around. I guess this is a compost pile, isn't it?
That's what I was thinking, but I don't know. It looks like someone.
Yeah. go Tractor Supply.
Yeah, that's what you see now.
Hey, buddy. Stuck in the barn. Oh, he's going over here. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, now you come out.
One more time.
Nope. He can't help. He's turning. He's coming back in. Hey, buddy. At least there's one animal going to come out. They don't care about us, though. Probably don't get eaten by stuff.
I know. Maybe they put them up at night.
Maybe. But still.
They need a Great Pyrenees.
Yeah, they don't have anything protecting them. What do you think about the Miller farmstead?
It's pretty.
Yeah, I didn't expect there to be animals and
I
stuff.
didn't think there'd be animals.
If you can go in the house.
I don't know.
I doubt it, but
The gate is open
yeah.
to the porch, but I don't know. We could try it.
Yep, you want to try it? It'll call the Rhododendron.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on camera, though.
Probably. Yeah.
There's all the rhododendron. This is everywhere in this park. Like everywhere you look, this is everywhere. And rock on the front porch. Oh, gosh. Watch your step. It's a little slickery.
Yeah.
See if we can go in. Nope. Locked. Oh well. Is it empty or is there stuff
No,
in
there's
there?
stuff in it. I bet you they have tours that you can go in there
Probably.
because there's plaques. And
Oh yeah.
it smells like old house. Like if you get close to the window, it smells like old house. Oh, they have Amazon packet over here.
Rhododendron plant. Don't really know why they're everywhere here, but there's a ton of it.
In summer and spring, they have fluffy white flowers.
Really? She said summer and spring they have fluffy white flowers. Pretty cool. I don't think their ladder and their water hose is from 1870.
I don't think so.
You go to the bathroom?
I'm good.
Root cellar, yep.
Here's that curved.
Yeah,
You can see where all the bees dig in.
yeah.
Or some kind of-
Dirt daubers and stuff.
Yeah, some kind of input. There's the chicken.
Oh, yeah. It's a big one.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Early enough, we could've got
Oh,
some
you can't
eggs.
use it. How'd you like to use that every? every morning.
No. Well,
Middle of the night.
I'm glad people don't eat it.
Yeah.
But you just open that door. We would have came a little earlier. We could have gotten some fresh eggs
Yeah.
for breakfast.
Let's look inside the chicken coop, even though we're probably not supposed to, since it was a lot. They probably have a lot more chickens than what's running around. Maybe.
I don't know.
It's a big old chicken coop for that many chickens.
Chickens normally stick together.
That's true.
Unless they had more at one time.
Yeah. Maybe they got like we was talking about.
Right. Cool.
What's that spring water?
Maybe. Somewhere in the Smokies. You know that drive from that Sugarlands Visitor Center to where I was going to take you for your birthday last year?
Yeah.
Somewhere up in there, there's a...
Like Bryson City or something? Is that right?
Yeah. Somewhere up in there, there's a... I think it's a... What did you say?
Spring?
Spring. And it has the same system except it's huge.
Really?
And it has like a big wheel that powers it.
You can take a swig of it?
Go for it. I'll take a big glass.
Yeah. Go over our creek?
Yeah. Go over our driveway after it rains.
Yeah.
And you know that's I don't think the spring house is moving anymore. Opening a bear pop out. Yeah, the spring is sprung. The spring is sprung.
Uh-oh. Yep. Doesn't look too good, does it?
Mm-mm. Don't think I'll be drinking any of that one.
No. Got the overlook all to ourselves. Pretty cool, but I think the overlook we just did was probably better.
Yeah, on the road?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get more of a wide open view overlook.
Yeah. It says most of this land was logged. As recently as the 1940s.
Really?
The regenerating forests of the southern Appalachians comprise one of the most ecologically diverse regions in the world.
This is the kind of stuff that if we traveled full time would be cool to like kids could actually see and learn in person versus a book.
Yeah.
Like who would, we never knew any of this stuff about the monarch butterflies. It says that the only plant they eat is milkweed, and this field here is full of acres of milkweed.
All the caterpillars.
Right, the caterpillars eat it.
The butterflies will eat nectar from other flowers.
They travel in the winter to Mexico and down to Florida. I guess some of California too. It's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Fixing to walk into the visitor center. It's pretty cool. They got a big bridge going over the river. Yeah.
It's like smooth, like you want to dip your feet in it, like walk around in it.
I want to go fishing in it. It's pretty cool. Topo map we've got. And we're right here. Let's see, here. Camp, right there. Campground was right there. And our first clip of this morning was up this curvy road, up the mountain, and right around in here somewhere. We were actually going to go on this road, but they had this road up here closed because we were going to go to the gardens, Rhododendron Gardens, and this overlook. It was all closed, so we didn't go. This is a pretty nice trail. It's called the Cloudland Trail at the Visitor Center. It's only half a mile, but it takes you right by the creek the whole way. And there's like rhododendron and a bunch of fallen trees everywhere.